Episode 9 shows how AI agents turn slow organizations into real-time, self-evolving ecosystems.
We stand at a new horizon where data breathes, platforms think, and intelligence multiplies faster than policy. The future of organizational development isn't organizational anymore. It's exponential, distributed, alive. The organization of the future looks less like a pyramid and more like a neural network. Roles, teams, and AI agents connect dynamically to purpose, not position. By 2030, 60% of corporate work will be performed by hybrid human-AI teams. The siloed systems of today will merge into unified intelligence platforms, real-time ecosystems connecting strategy, culture, and operations through data. Every conversation becomes a data point, every decision, a loop. In XD, the organization itself becomes an algorithm, one that senses, learns, and leads. The future of work isn't replacement, it's reinforcement. AI expands human bandwidth, freeing people for creativity, empathy, and ethics. 75% of companies using augmentation report higher innovation output. Imagine a digital twin of your culture, a real-time mirror that shows how trust, motivation, and strategy flow across your teams. In XD, that's not science fiction, it's system design. As AI gains agency, governance becomes emotional. Algorithmic empathy ensures technology amplifies fairness, not bias. In the next era, every leader is also a data ethicist, because strategy without conscience is just automation. Tomorrow's leaders won't just manage teams, they'll orchestrate intelligences. The XD leader blends analytics with empathy and speed with sustainability. Beyond AI lies AQ, the adaptability quotient. It measures how fast people, teams, and algorithms can learn, unlearn, and reinvent. Technology must serve humanity. Ethics must travel faster than code. Learning must outpace automation. Culture is the real algorithm. Exponential development is the next evolution of leadership. The XD Manifesto is a call to conscious acceleration, to lead with speed, sense, and soul. This is Velocity XD. The frontier isn't technology, it's consciousness. In our final episode, we'll blend everything together. The XD future, designing organizations that think, feel, and evolve. Subscribe for episode 10, The XD Future.